Okay, so the book is a little old, so it says photo albums. I mean, okay, I have albums. Picture may not be inserted in a photo album that has adhesive pages. So it's old style, very old style. So there is some adhesive pages, right? You put it, and then you cover it with a plastic. I don't remember, but somehow the plastic holds in place also. I don't remember how, but that's from old days. So you may not do that because for sure it is permanent. I mean, you have no intention to remove it. Okay. Next one, H. Loose threads or buttons. It is forbidden to tighten the loose thread or a seam or a hem, right? Or a loose button on Yom Tov. So you see that the hem is being undone, the button is being undone, so you cannot like pull it from another side, so it would hold until the end of the Yom Tov. Absolutely not. Right? Why? Because that's for sure it's sewing, and same is all of the loose threads. But I think the buttons is the best example. So when it's have have something like this loose button, it's proper not to wear the garment. Why? Because if button is going to fall off, like in the middle of road or somewhere else, so you would be tempted to pick it up, right? And it's 100% muktzah. Okay. Continue. Loose book covers. It is forbidden to tape book covers or reattach tape that came loose from the binding of the book on Yom Tov. So, for example, that's when the book was fixed, they put some like adhesive tape to keep the pieces of the cover together, right? And it comes off, so you're not allowed to fix it. To put it back, to adhere back. Next one is adhesive notes. It is forbidden to fasten adhesive notes to any surface on Yom Tov if they remain attached for more than 24 hours. Adhesive notes, okay. Right, there's some adhesive notes. Okay, but some of them, like you have this, now, like post-it, right? This yellow notes. So they first of all they're not glued like very good. It's only lightly glued, so it's not considered to be permanent to begin with. Those there is no problem. Or for example, the bookmarks that I use, there is no problem as well, because I mean you have to replace them often, because they're not they were made in the way they would not make any marks, right? But the adhesive is not very strong. Next one, K, staples. It is forbidden to staple or unstaple pieces of paper. So for sure, like two things come on the same side and then they bend. So for sure, it's permanent. For sure, right? Or to remove is also forbidden. It is similarly forbidden to undo dry cleaning tags that are stapled to a garment. Okay. But you can remove the tag itself if it's attached some like you can cut through the tag if needed, because the tag I'm not sure if I don't remember if we learned or not. So it's not intrinsic part of the garment, so it's not the garment. So you can actually remove it. So it's right. So it's like something foreign to the garment. Okay. Next one, last one, L, opening packages. This subject is discussed at length in the following chapter. So of course, these opening packages have everything to do with that, with our topic of the discussion, right? All the potato chips, all of the boxes of cookies that were glued shut, cereal, everything. Okay. Any questions on what we said?
So the next question should go off. Could placing a serviette around a glass of cold liquid, which will eventually condense, be considered sticking?
say, what is it? What is this? Serviette? What is it?
Serviettes. I think it's a napkin.
Some kind
Paper
of
napkin. Yeah.
paper napkin to the cold liquid.
Yep.
So you have a bottle of something, Pepsi, right? Okay, don't drink Pepsi. I'm just saying. Okay, some soda, right? It's from a refrigerator, and it's summer, so it becomes wet as condensation, and you want to take with a napkin. No, it's not adhesive. No. And there is no problem whatsoever. Just but since for sure you know that this napkin is going to get destroyed, ruined, so make sure there is no writings there, no pictures, but plain napkins. Right.
Take it away.
You're welcome. Okay, that's it.
Lulav?
Yes, yeah.
I think this another question says, Lulav, would you be allowed to attach Velcro to each other? Say, for example, in the back of a hat, where you would have to attach one side with one side to another with Velcro.
It's we need to check that because you see when you do it on the shoes, that's understandable. You're going to undo, but when you have like baseball hat, right, and you have the Velcro back, that's for sure it's a permanent. So I would say there is a reason for concern, right? Sometimes the person just want to make it tighter, I guess, right? Reason for concern, let's put it aside. I'm not sure 100% sure, but logically it should be a problem because it is permanent, yes, and it is attachment. Okay.
Take it away.
You're welcome.